Hey, what's the weather like tomorrow? What about next week? In some parts of the world, this question is not so easy to answer. In Central Asia, for example, weather information is often hard to come by, despite the fact that these landlocked countries are among the most vulnerable to extreme weather. This makes things difficult for the region's 70 million residents. For workers employed in agriculture, it is critical to know when rain is on the way, or when severe temperatures threaten crops, or when the next storm is coming. For those living in Central Asia's mountains, where frequent flash flooding, landslides, and avalanches can wash away roads and threaten communities, weather information is critical too. Climate change is a major source of uncertainty and makes weather extremes like these harder to predict. For example, up to 1/3 of Central Asia's glaciers may melt away by 2050, dramatically raising the risk of sudden floods from glacial lakes. Improving weather information, like forecasting and long-term climate data, will help the region adapt to whatever weather comes its way through better weather, climate and water forecasting facilities, emergency services, transportation networks, and more. That's why the World Bank has been investing in developing better climate forecasting facilities and data availability over the last few years. Under the Central Asia Hydrometeorology Modernization project, the World Bank has helped build modern workstations, automate observation networks, improve access to satellite data, and train experts on advanced scientific methods and software. The project has already helped improve forecasting accuracy in Central Asia by up to 30%, which will help farmers grow more food, improve hydropower networks, and keep communities safer. Better data will also help governments know where to invest in the future to make their countries even more resilient. So if you want to know what kind of weather is on the way and how you need to prepare for it, the World Bank is working to help.